Now I'm starting life, 38. Now I'm a grown ass man, know what the fuck I want, and I'm clear on the path, that North Star. And I'm fucking excited. I'm just getting started in this motherfucker. Like, I'm having these experiences, and it doesn't matter how much I like them. I'm looking at how they make me feel, and I immediately get a, what the fuck was that? Like, I'm just left in that space. And last night it stood out because, like I said, I've got more women than I can talk to. And as excited as I am about them, I could wash all this shit and start fresh. For me, that's a shift in context as a mature masculine man standing in abundance. There is no pressure or expectation. I don't owe anything to anybody, and they're auditioning to fit into my life in the partnership. They need to fit the role that I have available before we create anything. Like, I'm not feeling the loss of my validation, how I felt about this one over here, how I liked how excited they were about this. I'm like, you can go right along with the next one. And I have no shits to give, no fucks to give. I'm gonna call when I call, we're gonna connect. I'm gonna be the bombest motherfucker to bring something into your life that you ever seen, if it works out in the lines. And for me, that's a distinction of growth, of how would Dwayne actually show up? If I own my life, if I own my responsibilities, if I own my desires, if I own my schedule, my bandwidth, everything that I am. Am I being nice just because I like her? Am I being nice because she was nice? Am I doing more or sacrificing something that the truth is, nah, fuck all that. Nah, I'm not feeling that. We done. It's all right. You good. And God bless you. Not a fuck off. I'm mad. Fuck you, bitch. Like, none of that. Queen, sister, go enjoy your best life. Child of God, I'm not for you. You ain't getting a pass to get on this train because this motherfucking convoy is going west. This is what it looked like. This is the time we depart. And at this station, you wasn't acting right. You was too busy over there at the soda machine and got left. Gotta go. That's some freedom and power I stand for every fucking man to have.